So it's common, if not inevitable, that you and your partner will have arguments now and then. But when you and your partner have trouble stopping an argument once it starts, it can have a real impact on your ability to communicate effectively.
Our Relationship
with Dr. Brian Doss. So the first thing to do is recognize when you need a timeout. If you or your partner are feeling cornered, attacked, or just need a break from the conversation, it's best to stop the conversation. Think about what signs there are that things are starting to get out of hand, such as somebody saying, "I start feeling tense," or "he gets louder," or somebody starts cursing. When you notice these signs in the moment, tell your partner it's time for a timeout. So how do you take a timeout? If you or your partner are ready for a timeout, be careful not to just walk away. That's just going to make things worse. Instead, tell your partner that the two of you can talk about it later when you've both calmed down or thought more about it. Your partner may want to set a specific time to revisit the issue, such as after the kids go to bed or after I get home. And if you do, you both have to stick to that promise. The third thing to consider is let you and your partner recover. There isn't a right or wrong way to recover from a fight. You do want to try to clear your head and not continue having the argument in your mind. Take a walk, play a video game, or take a hot shower, whatever helps you relax. When one of you notice the other is still struggling with the argument, try to resist the urge to convince him or her that everything is fine or to make judgments about whether or not they're over it yet. Letting your partner process in his or her own way without trying to speed it up may actually decrease the likelihood of another fight happening. Your partner may also really appreciate you letting him or her deal with it in their own way. The fourth thing to think about is when to time back in. Give yourselves time to recover from the argument before timing in again. That may take the edge off some of your emotions and allow you to talk about it more calmly. Decide how you and your partner will let each other know that you're ready to revisit the discussion and agree on it before another fight occurs. Once you're ready to time in again, use the speaker-listener structure to either discuss how you're feeling about the topic or problem solve the issue. Recall the 4 problem-solving steps. First, define the problem. Second, brainstorm solutions to the problem. Third, decide which changes you'd each like to make. And fourth, set a time to reevaluate how those changes are working in the near future.